So today I'm going to talk about how to make money on Amazon without any inventory. And our first method is drop shipping. This is not one that I recommend at all because you can get your account suspended if Amazon finds out. But it is something a lot of people do. One of the best websites for this is AliExpress. And here we're going to look at some toys. So we got here we'll look at dolls, and some of this stuff can be inauthentic, so I wouldn't recommend selling like the branded stuff or something that looks like it could be branded, like this stuff right here. This is obviously Elf on a Shelf, but these are fake, so I would definitely not sell those. So you could just buy some clothing, doll clothing, and sell it on Amazon. See, these are Monster High dolls. You don't want to do that. Let's see. I don't really see what we could sell. Let's look up these round plastic eyes.